Whether you're sketching, drafting, or designing, the right tools make all the difference. And when it comes to precision and versatility, mechanical pencils are a must-have. No sharpening, no hassle. Just smooth, consistent lines every time. Mechanical pencils come in a variety of lead sizes, from ultra-fine 0.3mm for intricate details to thicker 0.9mm mechanical pencils, perfect for bold strokes and shading. Pacific Arc carries a number of different pencils to suit your needs, from lightweight and rubber grips to premium all-metal pencils with lead degree indicators and retractable or cushioned tips. And if you're wondering about lead grades, just like regular pencils, you can choose from 4H, harder and lighter, to 6B, softer and darker, to suit your drawing style. One of the best things about mechanical pencils? No more sharpening. The lead stays sharp, giving you a clean and consistent line every time. Plus, their ergonomic grip and precision make them ideal for both freehand sketching and technical drawings. Refilling a mechanical pencil is simple. Just remove the cap, insert a new lead, and you're good to go. Regular maintenance is also key. Clean out any excess graphite dust to keep your pencil working smoothly. You can do this by using the Clean Out tool to remove broken or stuck lead. This is a needle-like tool that can be found on the bottom of erasers on higher-end mechanical pencils, like our Chromograph series. Mechanical pencils aren't just for drafting. They're fantastic for sketching too. Whether you're roughing out ideas, creating architectural blueprints, or adding delicate shading, they offer control and precision that wooden pencils just can't match. Let's put these pencils to the test. Watch as we create a full illustration using only mechanical pencils. With different lead sizes, you can achieve a range of effects, from crisp line work to smooth gradients. And don't forget, using an eraser for highlights can add extra dimension to your drawings. Mechanical pencils are a game changer for artists and designers alike. What's your go-to mechanical pencil? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.